What's up guys, welcome to the Internet Mullah. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to protect your MacBook Pro from any liquids. So for example, if the liquid spill in your keyboard, it's gonna damage the whole laptop. So for us to protect the laptop from damage, I'm gonna show you guys what you need to buy to be able to protect it and make sure your MacBook lasts for a long time. So you guys need to buy keyboard cover or glass keyboard cover. I'm gonna put the link in the description below this video if you wanna buy it from Amazon. So it's not that expensive and it will protect your laptop for a long time. So the first thing that I'm gonna use is a microfiber cloth like this one, and just clean up the keyboard gently. Clean between the buttons, easy. Once you do that, we're gonna now grab our glass keyboard cover. So let's open this from the sides. And as you guys can see, that's what I'm gonna take from here and put it on top of the keyboard. Like this. Make sure it's installed properly on your keyboard. So now even if we spill a little liquid here, like for example coffee or tea or whatever drink you drink, it's not gonna cause any damage to the MacBook, which is a good thing, especially if your MacBook costs a lot of money. So this will save your MacBook for a long time. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to share with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tutorials, and thank you guys again for watching this video. Bye.